Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can easily stop iPhone auto update. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do that, we're gonna go to Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Open the General tab. Here you'll find Software Update. It's loading now. We click on Automatic Updates at the top. And here we can disable Install iOS Updates. Also disable Download iOS Updates. And the third setting is System. Well, I'd recommend that you always leave it on. And these two settings, Stop and Remove. This is the simple way you can easily stop automatic updates iPhone, namely your iOS devices. If you liked and helped this video, write in the comments. Put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.